Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If your APC battery backup is not turning on, it can be really concerning, especially when you depend on it to protect your devices during power outages. You might press the power button and see no lights, no sound, nothing at all. Many users assume the unit is completely dead, but in most cases, the issue is something simple like a drained battery, loose connection, or internal safety shutdown. These UPS systems are designed to protect themselves, so even a small problem can prevent them from powering on. The good part is that with a few quick checks, you can often bring it back to life without needing a replacement. Try these. 1. Check the power cable and wall outlet are working properly. 2. Ensure the internal battery is connected securely. 3. Plug it in and let it charge for at least 15 to 30 minutes. 4. Press and hold the power button for a few seconds. 5. Inspect for loose connections or burnt smell, damage. 6. Try a different outlet or replace the battery if needed.